been a fun morning. Hey everybody. So this morning we were supposed to go on like a short ride. It's gonna go do something we've done 100 times that nobody wants to see again. Just going to the swap meet, hanging out with friends. We got like 5 miles down the road. Noticed white smoke behind me, and it turns out my bike started pouring out oil as soon as we started and left. And I've been working on it the whole morning, and I just figured out what it was. That's gonna be this one. We're gonna fix my oil pump hose that they don't make anymore. So hopefully I can find one, but let me show you. So it poured out every ounce of oil in the engine from this hose right here. As you can see, if I squish it, you can see a little bit of liquid in there. Yeah, that's the oil pump right there. So it pumped up this hose where it goes into the engine, and yeah, every bit of it pumped out. I was riding for like 4 miles dry. The engine was so loud. It was idling at like 1500 RPM. So I'm really hoping I didn't bust my engine. I ruined my new pipes because now there's oil all over them. That got baked in. It's a good time. I have no idea when I'm gonna have any progress on this, so I assume it's gonna be a few days to get a part shipped in from some second party thing. So we'll just jump to that. Yeah, awesome. Okay, we're back. So been like a week, finally got my parts in. I was waiting on the new oil hose. It's gonna replace this guy right here that is busted. First order of business is replace that hose, then fill it with oil, start it up, see how it sounds, see if I wrecked my engine or not. Hopefully not. Let's take off that oil hose and yeah, get going. Alright, new oil line is in. Yay. So now, I already drained the oil for primary and the engine. So now I need to fill the primary, fill the main engine oil, start it up and see how it sounds. I'm a little nervous, All because of this stupid little hose. We're oiled up. I guess it's time to start it. Eesh. It was idling really fast at the beginning, but it needed to pump the oil. Seems like the oil's moving now, but I got a sound. That's unfortunate. I think it's definitely the forward jug, cylinder, head, motor, whatever. So I have a good feeling this is going over to Johnny's house, and we're taking off the rocker boxes to have a look, because something in there is clicking and it's not good. That's it for today. I gotta do carb work another day. Who knows if we're even gonna do carb work because we might be screwed. So